Hey everybody, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2019 and a half Forestriver Rpod 191. This is a new floor plan for the Rpod lineup. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the outside and then the inside of the camper. On the outside of the camper, this is the new gray fiberglass exterior. Instead of blue, you'll see the earlier versions, not of this model, but of the other Rpod models that were built in blue. This unit was ordered with the power tongue jack. It has a single 20-pound propane tank on the front. There's room for 1 or 2 batteries also on the front. There's a gas line hookup right here. Now that gas line hookup is standard. And basically what that is really for is the new optional outdoor kitchen, sliding outdoor kitchen here. So you have a 2-burner gas stove here and a small little dump sink. Now you get the gas hookup on the front tongue there and this little spray port standard. But the option for the outside sliding kitchen is basically this little 2-burner stove and dump sink that slides in and out of that storage compartment right there. Now that is removable, so if you do go somewhere and you know you're not going to use that and you want the extra storage, you can actually detach that, take that out, leave it at the house, and load some more cargo in your camper. So that's a cool little feature. You have deep tent safety glass windows on the Rpod. This particular one was ordered with the Thule awning. This is a power awning with adjustable legs, so you can actually take the legs down, stake them into the ground if you want. You can leave them attached to the side of the camper if you want. But it is power. You just push a button, it goes in and out. The awning also has the LED light strip up there, you can see. And there's a porch light up there also. You also have your outdoor speakers, an electric outlet, 15-inch aluminum wheels, standard. And those are on a torsion flex axle system actually. So it's not a standard leaf spring. It is a softer, better ride basically for the camper when it's bouncing up and down the road. You have a double entry step, screen door, and entry door. The entry door does have the window where earlier versions of the Rpod did not for a while. Large folding entry handle going in and out of the coach there. They also put a new feature down here, a little hook thing down there, so you could actually tie off your pet and help kind of keep them in line there. You have a storage compartment across the back. That storage compartment is basically underneath the U-shaped dinette section. Heavy-duty scissor jacks. There are 4 of them, 1 on each corner. Another really nice improvement on the new 19 and a half is going to be the Azdel composite sidewall now. Basically, fiberglass is normally attached and glued to an 1/8-inch wood Luan board. But now they are using an 1/8-inch composite material by Azdel that does not rot or allow the coach to delaminate from water damage. So that is a huge improvement. That is used on the sidewalls along with the rear roof and front wall. Now on the Rpod, the rear roof and front wall is actually one-piece fiberglass. So it starts back here at the bottom and goes all the way around to the front section there where there's a piece of diamond plate. So a really nice upgrade compared to other brands like this on the market. Spare tire on the rear of the coach. That spare tire is slid into an 1.25-inch bike rack hitch. That can be removed. You can put bikes on it, or you can leave the spare there depending on how you do your travels there. You can kind of see on the other side of the storage compartment here, decent amount of room under there. The gray dump is right here. Your power cord and your cable satellite inlets are right there. You have the outside hot and cold utility shower. The access panels for the slide out, for the refrigerator, maintenance purposes there. The black tank dump is right in front of the axles, and yes, they are separate dumps. These coaches sit fairly low to the ground, being lightweight, meant more for smaller vehicles to tow. So to make the thing drain properly and flow out properly, it's better to have them separate versus trying to tie them together where they can't pitch and drain very well. So that is the reason for having two separate dumps there. Basically, hook it to your dump hose of your toilet, dump it out, detach it real quick, hook it over there to your gray, and rinse out your dump tank. So pretty simple, not too hard to do, just an extra little step. Slide out is electric. It's a Swintech slide system. Push a button, it goes in and out. It can manually be done in case of electronic failure. 6-gallon gas electric water heater right here. Your city water hookup, freshwater tank fill, your furnace exhaust, low point water drains there. And you also have a dump hose holder down there across the front. Here you can see your storage across the front right there. One other thing I usually forget about here sometimes, your axles, tires, weight stickers, that stuff right here. Basically 3,500 pound axle, plus you have tongue weight. The gross weight of the vehicle is 3,800 pounds. So that's the most you can load it to between the axle and the tongue before you risk possibly damaging something. 225/75 R15D range tires. Production date of this particular coach was 10/3/18. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in checking out more of my videos as we get these new models in. I'm trying to update them as often as possible. You have the diamond plate across the front, LED hitch light there, and also the power jack does have an LED light in it too. Another new little thing they did was this little holder down here. It's actually to put your 7-way Bargman plug in there to just kind of keep it out of the way, but most people usually just wrap it around the tongue jack and let it hang there. You can kind of see up top there your air conditioner there, 13.5 BTU low profile air. Going on into the coach now. If you'd like to call me and purchase one of these units, toll-free number 888-417-8299, extension 203. Walking up into the coach, you have all vinyl floor in here, your electric box with your breakers and fuses. You have a cabinet there. Rolling on up, you've got your optional 24-inch flat screen TV, and that is on a swing arm there. Just up above that is your indoor-outdoor speaker switch, your radio, and your awning buttons and stuff like that right there. New ceiling board, nice LED lights inside. This is also one of the new colors called Starlight. U-shaped dinette across the back. And you can see you have a door there on this side to access that outside storage compartment. Walk up in here. The U-shaped dinette does fold down and make into a bed. There's an electric outlet on the side there. Little kitchen slide out. You have 2 drawers, little cabinet there. 3.7 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator, which is the 3-way refrigerator. So it works off of gas, electric, and battery power. And you'll see the different buttons right here. A lot of the knockoff brands of Rpods out there, the people that are coming out with some of these similar products are using a 2-way. So it works off gas, electric, but not battery power, where Rpods does work off battery power. It's a really nice feature if you like to boondock camp, being able to use it on battery power, doing those portable solar panels. So it allows that to run at no extra cost to you compared to having to either burn through propane or do without a refrigerator when boondocking. Microwave here is also a convection oven, so you can cook or microwave with this convection oven. So that is something that is an upgrade if you want it. If you do not want it, it's basically just a storage hole. Some overhead cabinetry there. The sink is also stainless, and it's an undermount sink instead of an above mount, but it is an actual metal sink instead of a cheaper plastic sink. When the slide out is in, you do still have room to get through the coach. So if you are stopping at a rest area or something overnight, you could still get in here and take a nap without having to open up the slide. Behind this door here is your little wet bath. So you basically have a toilet, a sink, and a shower all in one. There are a few models of Rpods that have a larger bathroom if this is too small for you. Got a nice turbo exhaust fan up there. And another nice feature, they have this little bag holder thing here for your shampoos and stuff like that. And also you're noticing the ABS plastic shower shroud, that white shower shroud. That is a really nice upgrade compared to some of the other things I've seen out there on the market where they're just using the wall board as your basically wall instead of having a protective shower wall there. So this does definitely going to give you a better longevity out of using your shower area without damaging the paneling. At the foot of the bed there is the furnace location. So that furnace blows out right there at the foot of the bed. On the right side there's an electric outlet, and up there in the middle is another electric outlet. We've got twin beds here. They are basically 30 inches wide, about 74 inches long. Little cabinet in the middle there for your nightstand area. Got another little closet cabinet here. Window on both sides, so you can get a nice cross breeze and a nice day. And you can see here on the bed, detachable power cord. So that does help keep the side of the coach sealed from bugs and stuff crawling up in there when your power cord's laying out on the ground. You've got your awning manual handle in case of power failure, the jack handle, and the power jack handle in case of power tongue jack failure. So you got a few different handles that come with the coach. On the wall next to the bathroom there is your monitor panel and water pump switch, your digital thermostat for your furnace and your air conditioning. It's kind of nice because it is actually more accurate. Some of the brands just have a couple little knobs on the air conditioner up there to kind of control it. They don't work very well. So it's nice to have an actual digital thermostat like you would at your house. You can see the little black square there. That is pre-wired for solar panels on the roof now on the Rpod. That is an option that is available. If you do that solar system from the factory, it's about a 110 watt solar panel with a 1,000 watt inverter that would actually run some of the electric outlets in here. It will not run the air conditioner or anything like that. That's just too much juice for that to do. But it will allow you to do some of your basic stuff like recharge your phone or maybe run a small television, something along those lines. Again, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. My name is Ray. If you're interested in purchasing one of these new Rpods, please feel free to give me a call. Toll-free number 888-417-8299. My extension's 203. Thanks for checking out my videos.